Lafayette Tire of Detroit used to be the New York World's Fair 1972 Ferris wheel.
Hello friends, welcome to Detroit, Michigan. My friend Brett is showing me around town today. We're looking for the unusual things of Detroit. We found some great ones. I am glad you're here.
So
Wow, this is cool.
First Ford property. This is where the Model T was developed and built. They do tours and shit.
What a piece of history behind me. This is where the first assembly line was ever used by Henry Ford. You know, Henry Ford was an interesting dude. He was a failure before he became the world's largest producer of automobiles and became very, very wealthy. This was it. This was the first building where the Model T was made. A lot of history right here. Boy, it's really, really interesting. Brett and I are just walking around the downtown of beautiful Detroit today, trying to find some history.
The funny part about the history here is that we're at the corner of Paquette and Beaubien Street. Beaubien is actually a name that runs in my family from way back in the day, which is cool.
Just nothing but a Beaubien.
Bunch of Beaubiens.
Check this out. You can see the old rail and street still.
That's old iron right there.
Yeah, this green light, I see them on these businesses.
Yeah, so that's
Signs at gas stations and stuff. What is that green light about?
So the green light, that's called the Green Light Project, and that basically says that that business has a direct feed to the police department. So if you try and rob them or do anything silly, they've got a button they push, and the cops, few cops are here, show up immediately. So people know not to rob that place.
So don't do anything silly in there. No silly dances, no jokes.
No jokes.
No jokes, they'll call the cops on you.
Yeah, no getting goofy in there, man.
No goofiness.
Find the ones without the red
Be
light.
very serious.
Yeah.
You go into those places.
Yeah, party time, that's where they don't have the green lights.
Right.
You can dance a jig.
No dances at the sit-go. The Heidelberg Project.
He doesn't know what this is yet.
Very eclectic street.
This is a crazy place.
The time is now. Or it's 8:32, whatever you decide. It's whatever time you want it to be.
Looks like it's 12:06 or
Could be whatever time
7:37.
that sign
I don't know.
says.
What time is it, man?
Wonder if Daniel knows where his bricks are, or if they're being repurposed here for this aero garden.
If I was a betting man, those came out at one of the auto plants.
Where are we at, Brett?
We are here on Heidelberg Street at the Heidelberg Project. Crazy
Tell us what the
place.
Heidelberg Project is.
Crazy place. The Heidelberg Project, basically, there's a guy in this house over here. We'll show you. It's, he got tired of some dilapidated houses and kind of just people running rampant in the streets over here on the east side of Detroit. And he wanted to clean it up and do something colorful and just kind of bring positive vibes to the neighborhood. And it worked. Here we are, man. This is like, people come down here. This is quite the tourist attraction. It's madness. There's stuff everywhere.
Madness. Madness. It's really trippy in here.
Oh, man. It's just my size chair.
Hands at a spider web.
Oh, spider web.
Ranger Rick, I used to get that magazine.
Oh, I remember those.
Yeah. This is deep. It's real deep. There's a picture of President Obama with Martin Luther King Jr. Hmm. Why? Why, dude? Huh. I didn't even notice this old dilapidated house because of all the art.
Michigan basement. It's not creepy down here at all.
Someone has wasted an entire brownie and just thrown it on the floor. Hello, children.
Would you like to play? You want to play? Hello, friend.
Hello, friends. Well, here's a little bit of information about the Heidelberg Project. A lot about copyrights and such. I'm not really sure what to tell you if the project is going well or not, but it's going. That's for sure. In fact, there are some people here also visiting and checking it out. So it is working. People are looking. I think some things are being dropped off as well, added to the collection. Looks like a juggalo party was going on here. Time to mosey back to the car and onto somewhere else. Just walking around, checking out the art. So I find them all the time, dude.
Everywhere, man.
It's a lot of hose.
Quite literally.
We're at the Eastern Market. Brett says everything's here.
Everything. Whatever you want, it's here. It's only open on the weekends, though, so you got to be on top of things. But food, flowers, anything and everything you could possibly want, it's here.
Oh, cannot resist the cherries. M1, first paved road in America. I think it's time for Coney Island, huh?
Do you know the proper one to go to, though?
No, but you're gonna tell me.
Because there's a choice. There's a battle. They call it the Detroit-Coney battle. And it's between American and Lafayette Coney Island. It used to just be one Coney Island. It was brothers that owned it. They got in an argument and split apart. And literally the other brother opened up a Coney joint right next door. So now there's the Detroit-Coney battle, but there's really only one real one, and that's Lafayette Coney Island.
We'll see about that. We have arrived at Lafayette Coney Island.
Welcome to Lafayette Coney Island, Detroit's real Coney Island. This is the first Coney Island. People think it's Coney Island, New York. No, 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 sir. Detroit, baby, the real one. The menu in this place, up there.
All the people that have been here.
Two with cheese, no onions, and a chili cheese fry.
Ketchup in a straw.
4 cheese.
Yeah, okay.
4 with cheese.
Cool.
Yeah.
You want two, right? 4 for you?
Yeah, 4 for me. The Lafayette was very good. I couldn't finish everything I ordered. I should have ordered 2 instead of 4. I did finish all 3 of those.
I went with 2, so I'm doing good. I'm a
Stuffed.
trained professional.
I was going to take us into the other Coney Island place to do a comparison, but I don't think I can even look at one of these.
There's nobody in there. 0 people.
All right. Rocket. Kites. Well, I'm picking up some postcards for you, my friends. Oops.
And I'm picking up some postcards for you as well.
Yep. Well, Brett, first you took me around to abandoned buildings. Then we spent the afternoon just poking around, checking out Detroit. Thanks.
Hey man, thanks for coming, dude.
Yeah.
Motor City loves having you. You know, there's
Yeah.
plenty more to see, so come back.
I will. I like this city. I think there's tons more stuff to check out.
Yeah, man, we built this city on rock and roll. Come on back.
Thanks for watching, friends. We'll catch up with Brett sometime down the road. I'll put a link to his channel below. Thanks, Brett. Thanks, friends. See
Thanks
you.
for coming along. We'll see you guys in the next one in Detroit.
See you, friends.